The AMC Gremlin. The Gremlin sold for 2/3 the cost of most small cars, which is appropriate because it looked like 2/3 of a car. Truth be told, the Gremlin was a stroke of corporate genius, cheap to develop and right for the times, and it was a runaway sales success, at least by AMC's modest standards. But did it have to be so ugly? It could have been worse. AMC considered a shortened version of the Hornet that design chief Dick Teague said was even uglier, though considering that he signed off on the Gremlin, we're not sure his opinion can be trusted.